In this video, I'll show you how to perform remote online notarization using DocuSign Notary step by step, so you can notarize documents securely from anywhere. Start by logging into your DocuSign account and navigating to your profile. Then open My Preferences, where your notary settings are managed. From there, access the Notary Profile section and begin by setting up your jurisdiction, which defines where you are legally authorized to perform notarizations. Make sure this information is accurate, because requirements vary by region and compliance is important. Next, upload your notary seal or official image and save your profile settings. Once your setup is complete, you can proceed to notarize documents by following the guided workflow within DocuSign Notary, which typically includes identity verification and session recording. Always ensure you follow local regulations and platform guidelines while performing notarizations. Subscribe for more practical tech tutorials.